What's going on, everybody? We're back out on the 390, and today I wanted to do a video about GP shifting or reverse gearing, same thing. And what it is instead of having 1 down, 5 up, you have 1 up, 5 down. And what it's supposed to do is, when you're making left-hand turns, obviously your foot would be underneath the gear lever, like that, ready for your next shift. Well, somebody like me, who has particularly big feet, when you're in quite a deep left-hand turn, your foot will scrape along the floor, and so what you have to do then is either wait to shift until you're out of the bend, or let your foot scrape, which isn't the best idea, really. So what the GP shifted does, it means you can rest your foot ready for the next gear. So let's go down to second, and I'll go third, fourth. So it makes it a lot easier. You can rest like that, and you can properly lean over and not have to worry about your foot scraping on the floor. Now, most bikes is particularly easy to do. All you do is turn the shift lever upside down, and that's it. You've got reverse gearing or GP shift. Yeah, I like it. It feels a lot smoother as well when you're doing your, your upshifts. You can really knock it in there, so there's no worry about it slipping out of gear, because you can really knock it down. So that's the reasoning why you would do it. And I haven't seen any videos online of anybody doing it on a Duke 390 or the 125 or the RC390 or the RC125, so I'm not going to say I'm the first, but I'll probably be one of the only videos up there of an RC that has GP shifting. I think it's worth giving it a go, trying it out, see if you like it or not. Me and Ash have switched to GP shifting, and I think we both agree that it's a much better way of riding, especially for me, because I prefer my left-hand turns, and I've got particularly big feet, so I always find that I can't lean in as much because my foot hits the floor. That is the sole reason for me changing to GP shift. Yeah, I like it. I said to myself that I'd give it a few days and see how it goes, see whether I liked it, and if not, I would change it back. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to change it back. Because it feels better when you're riding it. It's hard to explain what it feels like, but it makes shifting up the gears much better. The only time that it becomes a bit difficult is because you're so used to going 1 up, 1 down, 5 up. that when you come to the lights, or when you first get on the bike in the morning, you go down, so then you're in second, and you try and pull away in second, and it doesn't work. But I've only had it like this for about 4 days, probably, I don't know, 60 miles, so obviously I'm still getting used to it. But yeah, I like it. So most people only do GB shift on the track, because obviously it makes sense, and you got those high lean angles to have GP shift. But this is such a flickable bike, and it loves leaning in, and the pegs are quite low, so like I said, you know, my feet scrape quite a bit. Yeah, you can probably see on the toe slider, but it's a bit scuffed up. I think you'll probably see in a lot of my videos that I do clutchless shifting on the upshifts and the downshifts sometimes, and yeah, I think it makes upshifting much smoother. But yeah, I think that's probably my 2 cents on GP shifting. I think you know, if you're a bit mechanically minded, give it a try, and if you don't like it, switch it back. So yeah, if you want to give it a try, it only takes about 10-15 minutes to do, so you know, it's not particularly difficult to do. It's like one bolt, undo that bolt, you have to take it all the way out usually, and then turn it upside down. I'll put some pictures at the end. You literally just take it off, turn it upside down, and that's it. Put it all back together, adjust your gear lever position, because some people like to have the actual gear shifter either higher or lower, you know, so I have mine quite low, whereas some people prefer it higher. You know, my friend Ash, he prefers his a bit higher, whereas I like mine right down there. But you can't go very low on the standard rear sets on the RC. They are particularly high compared to my other bike. So yeah, that's my 2 cents on GP shifting. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.